road driving a car. This is my story about my BMW E30. Hey guys, so welcome to a new vlog, and guess where I am? I am in Scotland. That's right. Beautiful scene and a beautiful car. I know I have promised you guys that I'm gonna make this vlog about introducing my BMW E30. So before that, I just want to give a shout out to Jude M140 for giving me this as a gift representing Manila. Right. So this is a BMW 3 Series 318i. Yes, it's old, but it's my Sunday car, and I have this car for nearly 1 year now. I just love it to the bits. I mean, just look at it. Front of this car, I think it just looks amazing, especially those headlights. Oh, wow. And the famous kidney grille, of course, looks brilliant. I have also changed the number plate, so you can see that's the press plate. I'm a big fan of this press plate. Don't ask me why, but I just love the look of this press plate. Ever since I got this car, I didn't really do much with this car apart from regular servicing. I have serviced the car. I've done full service, including rocker cover gaskets, which you can find the video in my channel. And also I have replaced this badge, replaced the wiper, and that's about it. I haven't done any other major work. This is an old car, of course, and you're not gonna get it perfect, I guess. So let's walk around and let me show you guys this car. Bit of scratch on the side. Body work, I would say it's good. It's not excellent. And rust wise, it's okay, I would say. It's building up. It's not too bad, because normally with E30s, when you go and buy it, you would expect a lot of rust in these cars, but this one is in pretty good shape. So this car had 3 owners from new, so that's not a lot, and the mileage in this car is 132,000. It's not bad for this age. So when it comes to interior, it's a very nice and simple place to be. Every controls are there, what you need. Annoys me quite a lot is this car doesn't really come with aircon. I have actually added a cup holder. See? So I guess this adds some few brake horsepowers. So this is pretty handy. I got this off from eBay. So all you got to do is just slide it next to your seat, and there you go. There you have a cup holder. Comes with a cloth seat. What I've done is I've put an extra seat cover on this, because I don't know if you guys do know it. These specific BMWs, they're pretty known for ripped seats. They normally rip around this side of the driver's seat. It's a very common fault to have. And another common fault, which I should also mention, is they do suffer from crack on the dash. So apart from few little things, for instance, the electric window, it don't work, and crack on the dash, that's all I have to complain about for this car. Of course, got an automatic gearbox. It drives very good at decent speed. There's no issue with the gear as well. There's no dash lights. Everything works in here. And yeah, pretty nice and simple car. Let's pop up the hood. Let me show you guys the engine. This is one thing I love about this BMW. The way the hood opens. I mean, just check this out. I think it just looks pretty this way. I mean, just look at it. This is what I love about those 80s or 90s design. They're simply beautiful. Right, here's the engine. Of course, as I mentioned, it's a 2-liter petrol engine. It doesn't really have any oil leak whatsoever, which you would normally expect on a BMW. And I'll be honest with you, there was a slight of oil leak from the rocker cover gasket, but of course I got that replaced. Now it's all nice and dry. I have changed the battery, by the way. If you wanna see how you do that, there's a video on my channel as well. You can click on it and you can see how I've done that. I like the way how it's designed as well. It's nice and simple lines, simply beautiful. That's how I would say it. So let's start the car. Let's go for a drive. So about this car, how it drives, well, it's not gonna drive like a new car, but when you're driving a classic car like this, there's this different feeling what you get, and it's amazing. Unless you drive one of these old cars, you're not gonna get it. I like the whole driving experience of it. I mean, that's what BMWs are known for, ultimate driving machine. It does pretty good in corners, I'll be honest with you. So some people might complain that it might roll like a London bus. Now, of course, this is an old car, and being an old car, you have to keep that in mind that you don't have modern technology in this car. It doesn't have any airbag, nor it got any anti-lock braking system. So when you're braking, you just got to be a bit careful when you're doing that. It doesn't really have a traction control as well. This means that when you're driving this car, it's you who is driving this car. It's not driven by a computer or anything. It doesn't have any automated braking system, and that's what I like about these old cars. I always wanted to own a classic car, and this was my opportunity of owning it. And I have to say, it's really nice. See, cars like this, a smile on your face. I can imagine myself doing thousands of miles in this car and not get bored. You don't really get this car to go fast in corners or to show off to your friends and be like, oh, check this horsepower, or this is what 0 to 60 is. No, it's not what this car is about. This car is more about having the characteristics. That's why I like these cars, and that's why maybe there's so many guys out there still loves the E30. Now, I've owned quite a few BMW in past. I've owned the E46, E90, F30, and of course this E30. So I'm looking forward to drive the new one. Now, all I have to say is BMWs, they're a great car to drive, and one of the reasons why I do love these cars because the way it makes you feel when you drive these cars, and especially this one. This is where BMW got everything right. Because I'm a huge fan of the E30 M3. They now fetch over 40 to 50k or maybe more. I really wish if I could get one of them, but it's just so expensive to have. The best thing is when you have a car like this, you can look back and just think yourself that you do have some element of an M3 behind you. Day is about to end, and what a day it was. Honestly, did enjoy driving around Scottish roads, and I have to say they do have one of the best driving roads. I've been here before, but it's just somewhere where I just want to come again and again and just drive. And for the E30, well, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep the E30 for, but until then I just want to enjoy it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for next time. What a drive it was. Really loved it. And of course, Scotland, what a place to be, honestly. Just look at it. It's everything's just right here. Right view, right car, just right moment. Road, driving, car.